Okay, so what the heck is this thing? I think it's for sure mold, but this was a bunch of ground up material that I put enzymes into, and I wanted to see if there was going to be any reaction to break it down. It's a lot of plant material, but then this like fluffy white cloud started growing on top of it, and it's changing colors. So I'm gonna see where this goes, but kind of interesting. All right, stay tuned. Wow, this fungus is growing super big now. It's pretty much taken over the entire half of this, and it's growing colors. I don't want to open it up, but I want to see how it, like, the enzymes don't seem to be breaking it down. All right. Now I'm not sure if I should just keep growing this or if I should toss it. Okay, so it's been like 2 weeks, probably more, since I've checked up on the incubator and all this stuff that's inside. All the enzymes that are supposed to be processing, but it's just turned to powdery mold. That is intense. And you can probably get a sense of where this is at. I don't want to open that. Like, I don't want to find out what's inside it. It's kind of interesting, the enzymes didn't break this down, that it was subject to the mold.